What's going on YouTube? Coming back at you with another video. So 50 Cent did the Breakfast Club recently. Meek Mill's name came up during the interview. 50 Cent actually reflects on a time where he bumped into Meek Mill and he's saying he wanted to punch him in the face. Basically, he was not happy over things Meek Mill had said. This was coming on the heels of the whole situation with Drake. Meek Mill did not respond to Drake. A lot of people out there were questioning what was going on. Why was this happening? Meek is a battle type of artist. Why was he not responding to Drake? 50 said, again, he saw Meek. Meek pulled him to the side, wanted to talk to him as a man. 50 wanted to put hands on him, but instead of doing so, sat there, had a conversation with him. He said he was just looking at him like in disbelief, pretty much. This is a crazy situation. 50 has had issues with a lot of people over the years. This one, it could have went left. Clearly, 50 Cent saying he really wanted to put hands on him. The fact that he didn't is a good thing at the end of the day. But it's definitely crazy to hear 50 talking about this. We don't really get to hear 50 Cent in these interviews breaking down shit like this that often. So hearing 50 say he wanted to put hands on Meek Mill, definitely interesting, definitely stirring some controversy. I actually saw Meek Mill recently seemingly responded to this whole thing. I will show you that shortly in another video. But let me know what you guys think. Do you think 50 Cent would have handled Meek Mill if he would have put hands on him? What do you think would have happened? You got Meek Mill, you got 50 Cent. Leave some feedback in the comments. Hit the like, subscribe, share. Make sure you ring the notification bell. I definitely appreciate you though. Peace.